Did you know about Grand Central Terminal's dirty ceiling patch in New York? Have you ever looked up at the ceiling of Grand Central Terminal and noticed something unusual? There is a small, dark rectangular patch that stands out against the beautiful celestial mural. This patch is not just a random blemish. It has a fascinating story behind it. During a major restoration in the 1990s, conservators decided to leave this patch unrestored. It showcases the original grime and pollution that once covered the entire ceiling. This decision serves a purpose. It allows future conservators to study how pollution and aging have affected the materials of the ceiling. The dirt on the ceiling comes from decades of air pollution in New York City. Trucks, cars, incinerators, and factories contributed to this grime. Interestingly, the soot from trains is not the culprit here, as trains have been electric-powered in Manhattan since 1908. The patch is located near the constellation Cancer, which is the crab. It contrasts sharply with the cleaned sections of the ceiling, which now shine in vibrant turquoise and gold colors. This practice of preserving a portion of the original condition is common in conservation work. It helps maintain a reference point for the artwork's history. There is also a small hole near the constellation Pisces, which marks where a wire was anchored in 1957. This wire supported an American Redstone rocket displayed in the terminal during the Cold War era. The restoration project itself was quite complex. It required careful planning to avoid disrupting the 500,000 daily commuters who pass through the terminal. Instead of using scaffolding from the floor, a large platform was built to access the vaulted ceiling safely and efficiently. From the perspective of New York State, this patch is an important historical artifact within Grand Central Terminal. It reflects both the environmental history of the city and the commitment to preserving its architectural heritage. This small, dirty patch serves as a reminder of the terminal's past conditions while highlighting the success of preservation efforts. Visitors can appreciate this iconic landmark knowing that it has been maintained for future generations. So, the next time you visit Grand Central Terminal, take a moment to look up and appreciate the story behind that dirty ceiling patch. It is a unique piece of history right above your head.